So then you want to do the reverse of that so that the black shows up. Now remember, you were pulling those blacks out a lot when you were doing this, just so they're not so close together. Now you're going to suck them up tight again. So you're going to do the reverse of it. The last section you went on top of everything. This time you're going to go underneath everything but one. And once again, make sure the weaver is wet and also the stakes, something new. Because usually I'm like, don't get the stakes wet. Okay, so this time, oops, I'm gonna go underneath. Takes a while for the brain to figure. No, it's underneath. Underneath all and over two. First one was underneath all and over one. Underneath all and over two. If you're wondering what the back side looks like, it's just a wrap. Underneath all and over three. And now you get the idea. Underneath all and over four. So it's one of those things that looks like, oh my God, this is so difficult. I'm never going to be able to do that. And really, it's not that big of a deal. The hardest part for me is figuring out what the heck I want to do and how to make it work. After that, it's no big deal. So once again, underneath, then I pick up another one. And it's important on these black ones to get that tight so that it looks like one solid color when it really isn't. And see, this one's over there, so I'm going to kind of pull that in, and then I grab all of them. Okay? So when you look at this, it looks like you got a 3 pattern, 1, 2, 3, and then you'll go back to this again. Okay? And that's all there is to it. So if you think, oh, I need a breather, put a clip on it.